Woman found hanging from suitcase in Portmore. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police in St. Catherine are continuing their investigation as it relates to the suspected suicide of a marketer, Sasha Day, who was found hanging from a suitcase at her home in Bridgeview in Portmore on Wednesday. The police were reportedly alerted to the matter around 11:20 p.m. The body of the 35-year-old woman was found hanging by a piece of rope. The scene was processed and the body removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. The Bridgeport police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.